Here's the oil filter wrench, and this just adjusts to the height of the width of your oil filter. Couple of extra blades, and this is the cutting part here. Nice bearings, cast aluminium. It's pretty good. Okay, so these get taken out and installed there if you've got a larger diameter filter. Otherwise, for my little car here, I've used a smaller setting. It's quite light, very strong, pretty good. Just taken the filter off the Nissan Micra, and I'm just gonna see if there's any contaminant metallic particles in the filter. Pretty pleased to say I don't see any metallic particles. That's great. The car's done about 63,000 kilometers. 2008 Nissan Micra K12. Nothing in there. Lots of bubbles obviously, and just air bubbles from the oil just reflecting off that light above, but it looks very good. Oh, I'm so pleased. See what I can do about pulling this apart and unfolding the filter just to see what I find. Seems I'm having a real struggle here trying to separate these end caps off the filter itself. Don't know how to do it. If anyone has any suggestions, please do leave a tip in the comment section below, but the only thing I can think of is just pulling these apart. This will take forever, and this steel is quite hard. I don't have any other better system to do it. Here's another look at the inside of the filter itself. No metallic particles. Looks like I'll have to give up trying to open separating these end caps off the actual paper filter itself, because I can't do it. No matter what I try. I've tried many things off camera, couldn't do it. So I'd really appreciate anyone's tips. But I had a really good close look at this. There is no metal particles whatsoever. So I'm very happy with that. Yeah, unfortunately I can't get this off, these metal plates.